In this video, I want to display how to export data from R to a text formatted file. Let's load up the Swiss dataset. This dataset shows a standardized fertility measure and socio-economic indicators for each of the 47 French-speaking provinces of the Switzerland at about 1888. To export the data as a text file, we need to select a field separator. I'm going to continue with comma. Let's click the Save button. The modal window shows the name of the saved file and the path where the file is saved. This path is the current working directory of the R process. We use write.table function to save the dataset. In addition to the dataset name, the output file path, and the field separator character, here we have some arguments for the write.table function that the program set by default. The quote argument determines whether to surround the character and factor columns with double quotes. The call.names indicates whether the column headers are to be written along with columns, and the row.names indicates whether the row names are to be written along with rows. Alright, we reached the end of this video. Thanks everyone for watching.